Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 3 best-selling kitchen gadgets on Amazon in 2025. These gadgets are not only super handy, but also bestsellers loved by thousands of users. So, let's dive in and see which one fits your kitchen best. Product 1. OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. First up, we have the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner. Did you know OXO actually invented the one-touch salad spinner? With just a single pump, you can dry your lettuce, herbs, and fruits effortlessly. The patented brake stops the basket instantly, while the non-skid base keeps it in place. Once done, you can press the pump handle down and lock it neatly for storage. The best part? It doubles as a fruit and vegetable washer, strainer, and even a serving bowl. And yes, it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning is a breeze. If you're serious about fresh, crisp salads, this is a must-have gadget. Product 2. Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel. Next on our list is the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel. Forget struggling with dull pizza cutters. This ergonomic slicer fits comfortably in your hand and lets you cut through pizza with ease in just one slice. It comes with protective blade guard for safe storage, and the wheel disassembles in 3 quick steps for dishwasher-safe cleaning. Compact, easy to store, and perfect for pizza night, this little gadget packs a punch. Product 3. Full Star Pro Vegetable Chopper. Finally, we have the viral sensation, the Full Star Pro Vegetable Chopper. Featured everywhere on TikTok, this chopper makes meal prep faster and easier than ever. With its razor-sharp stainless steel blades, you can chop, dice, and slice potatoes, cucumbers, tomatoes, and more in seconds. The non-slip base keeps it stable, while the catch tray prevents mess in the kitchen. Plus, it's completely dishwasher safe. Whether you're a beginner or a pro cook, this gadget saves time and makes cooking fun. So, there you have it. The top 3 best-selling kitchen gadgets on Amazon in 2025. Which one would you add to your kitchen? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Amazon gadget reviews.